Welcome to today's daily AI video here at Webcafe AI. Today we're going to be learning how to take a still image like this and then make it into a video. So the idea behind this concept essentially is you're basically put into that place and it has almost like a drone effect. In the context of this current model, they call it infinite nature. As always, you can find it in the link below. Let's go ahead and check out some examples here. And then we have some images we're going to upload ourselves so you can see the capabilities of this model. So we got this nice image right here that kind of melds into a further exploration of that image. Same thing with this. Now here at Webcafe, make sure you stay till the end because we're going to learn how to basically upscale the resolution of these videos. So maybe we can use them in other context. But as you see here, we have a bunch of different options here. And it allows you to choose the number of steps, which is going to be the underlying length of the footage. So let's go ahead and do this ourselves, right? So let's go ahead and go over to demo. And let's go ahead and upload our first image. All right, to start off strong, we're going to go ahead and do the Beatles cover here. And we're going to go ahead and generate, let's stay with 100 frames as well. And from here, let's just hit submit. All right, perfect. So went ahead and generated that. We can go grab the beginning. It jumps off. And then as you see here, it will choose the landscape it feels best fits the certain environment that's shown. But as you see here, it jumps into that image and all right, the next image I'm going to try here is kind of this tropical rainforest. I'm going to go ahead and let's up the amount here. Let's go 200. Might take a little bit longer, but we're going to go ahead and see what the result would be based off this image. All right, perfect. So we went ahead and generated that. Using 200 frames, we're looking at a video that lasts around 13 seconds, so obviously double the length. But we start with the jungle and then dives into the environment it best fits that situation. Obviously, let's go ahead and download this as well. And from here, we're going to be able to up the resolution there. Obviously, as you can tell, this model is early days, but you can see the potential with AI when being able to manipulate just still images and creating video from it. Let's do one more example here and let's see what we get with it. The last example I want to do here in today's video is going to be looking at a AI generated image and seeing what kind of direction the drone model here takes. All right, perfect. So we went ahead and generated a video based off the AI generated image. Now, what you'll notice is that it seems like it's not able to do like cartoonish type videos. It just goes straight to realism. So take that into account if you plan on doing AI generated images. Go ahead and make sure that they are realistic in the prompt so that when you do plan on doing outputs of these images for these type of videos, it fits the theme, right? Or maintain it how it is. Let's go ahead and take one of these videos. Let's up the resolution and see what it would look like. Now, if you're familiar here at Webcafe, you know this is one of our favorite models to use. I'm gonna link it in the description below, but simply just add the video here. Once you've added the video, just hit submit. And then this model likes to up the resolution. I use this for all my clients if I need to up some resolution for an image or a video. It's a great tool to use. I highly suggest to use it in the context of upping resolution because a lot of times, sometimes you get bad videos through AI, or you get bad images through AI, so on and so forth. This is just a overall good tool. I'll see you when it's fully generated. All right, perfect. So obviously not amazing quality, but you can see a drastic improvement from the original video, which is, this small little square here up to this resolution here. I really wanted to show you this because, you can do some really cool edits with this. I would suggest doing overlays and stuff like that. But for now, that's what I want to show you here at Webcafe AI. Make sure to like if you feel like you've learned something in today's video. All the resources can be found in the description below. We do daily AI videos here at Webcafe AI. Go ahead and check out that playlist above there, and I'll see you in the next video.